عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته قبي أهانتين بأصحابته قيمها يا شرفت نجمدن كحرن جنال كان مانشستر سيتي صوماليا تي في waxaan doonaynaa maanta inaan ka hadalno mid ka mid ah taariikhaha kooxda oo ah markaasi kulan dhacay 25 Maajo sanadii 2014 kulankan oo u dhaxeeyay kooxaha deriska ah ee Manchester City iyo Manchester United ciyaartan oo ahayd mid aad u adag ayaana markaasi ka dhacday garoonka Old Trafford waxayna u dhaxaysay kooxaha kubadda cagta ee Manchester United iyo Manchester City ciyaartan ayaa markaasi ku soo idlaatay 3 gool iyo eber markii la fiiriyo waxaana guusha ku qaadatay kooxda kubadda cagta ee Manchester City bal daawade aynu wada daawano ciyaartani aadka u adkeed oo ahayd markaasi mid aad loo xiiseeyo markii la fiiriyo kulanka Manchester Derby waana isku soo laaban doonaa
15 points clear of second place City and cruising to a 20th English Championship. Now it's City in the ascendancy. If they win a third consecutive derby for the first time. Navas. Here's Toure, 16 goals already this season, and straight away through there's a chance for Silva, and a wonderful block tackle 8 yards out, but they're still coming. Nasri's in the penalty area, onto his right foot, shoots off the post, the rebound is in. What an extraordinary start for Manchester City. Dzeko has scored it on his return to the side as well.
Well, it's a wonderful start for Manchester City. Working very hard, getting a little bit of luck. There was sort of a great tackle by Raphael. The danger looks like it's past, but they come out quite slowly, Manchester United. And it's well-timed run by Dzeko. He takes the risk, follows the shot in from Nasri, I think it is, on that left-hand side. It hits the post, comes back out. Dzeko's first to react. 1-0 Manchester City. What a great start for them. What a terrible start for the home side.
And stood within, 3 yards of each other. Well, that's a problem for Manchester United. Here's Silva in the penalty area. Dzeko! Excellent save by De Gea. What were Manchester United playing at? Nasri kills it in. There's an opportunity. It's a goal. And he's done it again. Edin Dzeko makes it 2-0 to City. Well, they served warning from the previous corner. That was as easy as you like. Edin Dzeko with the volley into the top corner. United with it all to do. City lead 2-0.
Well, Fernandinho nearly made Manchester United pay for poor defending with that first corner of the second half. And look at this, he's wide open. Every single Manchester United player reacts second to a Manchester City player. And Edin Dzeko.
Valencia. Now Raphael. Now United fans make some noise. The ball comes across. It's a lovely back flick by Welbeck, and it's saved well by Hart. Still there for United. And cleared by...
That's right. Much better quality by Manchester United. Good patience. It's a wonderful flick.
Really. Rooney curls it in. It looks good, and it's punched clear.
What you need is to get him on the ball in these sorts of areas, in free play as well as on set pieces. It's a good ball.
And I'll tell you why in a second. Here's Milner. Looking for Negredo. Toure, right-footed, drives it, 3-0. A 17th of the season for Yaya Toure. Manchester City are going to within 3 points of Chelsea at the top. They will win the 150th Manchester derby in the league.
And they'll him on the ball, nobody following runners. It's a fortunate ball in, a cruel deflection off Jones, but a very good finish by Toure. Excellent first touch.
waa tahay isku soo noqod wanaagsan daawade waxaan filayaa inaad xusuus gashay anigu geesteeda kama marni oo waxaan galay markaasi xusuus guud ahaan waxaan intaasi ku soo afbeenaynaa saaxiibayaal daawadayaal barnaamijkeena xasuuso taariikhda kooxda waxaanu markaasi idin rajaynaynaa guulo wacan intaan ku kulmi doono barnaamij mid kale waxaan idinkaga tageynaa sidaas iyo nabadgelyo